Kurt cock. Yeah. Fucking Kurt cocked on the four-wheeler, man.
Come on.
Why you get so cocked? Yo, put it in reverse and then slam it and drive and do a wheelie.
No.
Why? Hit a jump. Fucking guy's cocked out of his fucking mind. Oh, got some air. Beating the fuck out of it. Yeah, she is, dude.
Running a little moto.
Why you cocked out of your fucking mind?
Come on, get that shit off.
Yeah.
2G, he's got the envelope out. He's got the envelope out. That fucking envelope. Right back in the pocket, wadded up. Oh, he's cocked out of his fucking mind. Pulled an all-nighter last night. Oh yeah, he comes right to the fucking beach. Tiff cocked. Tiff not cocked. There he is. Cocked out of his fucking mind. Why? Pull in right behind Stace. You cocked out of your fucking mind, man?
About to get recocked.
Yes. You guys are cocked out of your fucking minds. Kurt cocked, walking up Route 12 in his underwear. He's recocked. Lobster's cocked. They both got camo shorts on and blue shirts. I'm not sure what's going on there. But, you know, then we're in Jack's Audi. Thing's a beast. Fucker's nice, man. Oh, the thing's got some power, too.
Yeah,
Two-fuck? Georgia?
I don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck.
Send that!
You're cocked out of your fucking mind. Kurt cocked. Why? Faster, you pussy.
And hit Dave with a key.
Yeah. No, I'll throw it right in the fireplace. You're cocked. Two-fuck, Georgia?
Woo!
Yeah.
Boys like Jello shots?
Is
that all you got?
Come on, man, eat it! Eat! Whoa, show off that hoodie. Let's see that hoodie, that peach shit. Oh, yeah, sick. Greg's got fucking mine. Yeah. What are you doing, you fucking Joe, your dog? You're fucking naughty, boy.
Raindrop, drip, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. You fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.